Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a really quick project share. I've been asked by Beebeecraft to share some of their products and do some projects with them. And so I will leave the link to the Beebeecraft website in my description box below. You can also join their YouTube program. If you have 100 subscribers or more, you can sign up for their program and they will send you some products and you'll just have to do some videos like I'm doing here. I'll leave that link in my description box below as well. But I've gotten some of this faux leather. It's actually called Beebeecraft, maybe. 12-pack daisy flower leather sheets, floral printed synthetic faux leather sheets for earring making, crafts, and hair accessory making. And so these are the different patterns that I received, and I just made some tags, or I'm in the middle of making some tags with them. And so let me put these on the side. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you stopping by. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on my crafty journey. Please hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos like these. So what I did is I have this die. I got it from AliExpress, I believe. It's an ice skating die. And I just cut out the leather through my machine. It cut very well. Although I do have a paper and fabric cutting die machine, so that might be why it cut well. So I will be right back. Okay, so I've cut these pieces out. One I've used the leather from Beebeecraft and the other is just cardstock. And you see it cuts very well. The leather is, you know, durable, nice. It has the cloth back. I don't know if you can focus. See the thickness. It is kind of thick, but because it's deceiving. So that's my negative space. And this die cuts out a shadow piece as well. And so I made a shaker too, I'll share with you guys. Huh. Of course it's giving me a hard time now that I'm on the camera. It wasn't that difficult before. And then I just adhered it on. I cut another of these in white cardstock to back it and make a tag. But this is what they come out like. So these are the ones that I made already. Here's the shaker I talked about. I used some of my acetate from Maker's Movement, and I used some of the foam as well from Maker's Movement, and the shaker bits. But that's this one here. And then here's another one. And so I have to back them because of the glue I put on quite a bit, and so it's curling the paper a little, so that's why I want to add another piece of cardstock to the back to make it even more sturdy. And then I'm just gonna add some trim at the top and use them for tags. And here's the last one. I didn't use any foam on this. This is all paper. Not foam. what was it? Leather. Faux leather. But yeah, so this is my little project share for Beebeecraft. They were nice enough to give me a coupon code for my subscribers. It is Makaz, M-A-K-A-Z 5. You get $5 off an order of $40 or more, and the coupon lasts for more than 2 years, so don't worry about it. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!